Guys, in trading, slow growth is the only thing that survives. And this is why starting is the hardest stage. When you've got £1 million and you're risking 1%, that's 10 grand, but you're easy with that. But you can also make 1, 2, 3%. That's 10, 20, 30 grand a day. But when you've got £1,000 and you're trying to compound 5, 10 pounds, your brain starts whispering, just go heavier, just double it. Let's skip a few steps. And that whisper is what wipes people out. And this is why, in my opinion, what most traders never make it past, that beginning stage. And not because they're stupid, but because slow feels painful when the numbers are small. So guys, you can DM me if you want to know how I compound without blowing accounts. And trading, guys, it punishes the impatience. It slaughters shortcuts, and it rewards the people who can sit through boredom and restraint and discipline. Compounding, it's not sexy. It's uncomfortable. It tests your ego daily, but it's the only path that actually works. If you can fall in love with slow, if you can respect the process at the beginning, you'll wake up one day shocked at how fast you've grown. So guys, slow growth isn't a weakness, it's the edge.